Hey friends, welcome to another new home tour. Today we're in Redpoint Village and we're taking a look at a Toll Brothers home. My name is Justin Bevins with Pulse Realty Group here in the Las Vegas area. And this community here with Toll Brothers is called Acadia Ridge. And the property we're going to look at is the Alba Elite. Now, Acadia Ridge is a gated community, and it's over here in the newer Redpoint Village in Summerlin, as I mentioned. So let's get inside and we'll take a closer look at this Alba Elite model. This home is a 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 2,824 square feet with a 2-car garage. And when you walk in, they've set up the model with this home office slash den. It's actually a bedroom on the floor plan, but they've added some, like a little built-in desk here, and they've made this into a beautiful home office. It's really spectacular when you see it, especially with these glass doors. And they took the closet out of it, which if it were a bedroom, it would still have a closet. So let's walk out. We'll take a look at this open floor plan, and then we'll get back towards the other bedroom that's downstairs in the front by the front door. Soaring ceilings in this house, big tall sliding glass doors to the outdoors, beautiful fixtures, beautiful textures and colors, just like you would expect with Toll Brothers. This is just what they do. This one's got a stainless steel built-in Sub-Zero style fridge. You've got a double oven in the display model here. Microwave down below. Beautiful cooktop, 6-burner cooktop. And chef style hood up above. You've got your dishwasher here in the island. Beautiful countertops, as you can see. Flat handles on these cabinet doors and drawers. Very modern, artsy. And then you've got a stainless steel apron sink. Dining area is over here, kind of in this corner, casual dining. And then as you walk over here, you can see you've got, again, that large slider, triple glass slider that goes to the outdoors. This granite that they're using here on a lot of the surfaces in this home is one of Toll Brothers' best granites that they use. Became very popular back in 2020, 2021. It's just a beautiful granite. And you can see the Primo fireplace there as well. Primo horizontal fireplace. Big island with waterfall edges. We're moving pretty fast here, but this is a big house, so I want to get you through it. This is the primary suite downstairs, so you don't have to go up the stairs for your primary suite or your owner's suite. And this one's good size. Of course, beautiful texture on the feature wall here behind the headboard. You might have noticed that behind me was sliding glass doors to go to the outdoors. Here in the bathroom, we've got a floating vanity with dual sinks, linen closet right here. And you can see they carried that same granite from the great room here into the bathroom. And this is a beautiful walk-in shower. Dual shower heads, one overhead, one rain head, and one standard head. Little step down there. That is a beautiful shower. It's absolutely amazing. This is your walk-in closet. This one's been done up by California Closets. They don't come that way from the builder, but it's something that you can do after the fact. It turns out great most of the time. Private bathroom, toilet room there. And then you have a backlit mirror here, which is a great feature for adding some extra ambiance. There's that slider to the outdoors that I mentioned. Back out here into the great room. I want to head up towards the front of the house because I passed by a couple of things as we were walking in that I want to show you. This is your powder room or your guest bath downstairs that your guests that are over for the afternoon or the evening would use. They're not staying with you. And then you've got your laundry room downstairs. You have 3 bedrooms downstairs potentially, so it's good to have a laundry room there with a sink and lots of storage. And then this is that front bedroom that I kind of walked past when I came in the front door. This one's 10.5 by 10 feet, lots of light, huge windows, closet, and it's got its own bathroom. Actually, it's a bathroom that on the plans would be shared with the office, but since they converted that office and it's not a bedroom anymore. Here on the other side, that home office, it does not have direct access to that bathroom anymore. They took that out when they put in that built-in desk. So up the stairs, nice modern stair railing and banisters with the cable system. Oh, and you can see they've done it all along the loft up here, so you can overlook the living room and the great room. It's just really pretty. And you can also see the entrance from here too. Spectacular floor plan. So you get up here into the loft area, and you can see you've got access to a little private deck out there. And that deck's about 12.5 by 10 feet. And this loft area is about 23 by 13 feet. And you can see they've done some beautiful built-ins here to give you some ideas. Tile on the walls, 12 by 24 foot tiles, and then these built-in desks. You know, Toll Brothers really does make their models look amazing. Not all this stuff comes standard, of course, but it gives you some great ideas about things you can do to the home to make it spectacular for yourself. All right, so you've got bedroom number 4 here. And again, lots of windows, very bright and open. Standard closet, and this bedroom's about 10.5 feet by 10 feet. And then bedroom number 5 right here, again, lots of windows. And this bedroom's a little bigger. It's about 13 feet by 11 feet, and it has a walk-in closet. And it's nice to have a window in the closet too, so it's not all dark in there while you're trying to find what to wear for the day. And then outside there, you've got the guest bathroom upstairs, 2 sinks, a built-in tub and shower, and these walls are tiled. This is not a fiberglass insert. And you can see that backlit mirror they put in there as well. It really makes the room pretty. So we're heading back downstairs. We're going to get a look at the outdoors. You can see what they've done in the backyard here. Big 24 by 24 inch tiles on the floor really make a difference. And you can do that when you've got a big floor plan like this. Lots of square footage, you can get away with these really big tiles. And they look great. So out here you've got a covered loggia and ceiling fans, speakers, lights. Again, a kind of a primo style vertical fireplace. Very high end. And then beautiful tile work. Over here you've got a built-in barbecue that's nicely tiled. A beautiful addition to the backyard. And then from here you can kind of see the back of the house. There's that deck upstairs that we were looking at when we were walking across the loft previously. And one of the nice things they've done here with the pool equipment is they've taken some of the stuff like the skimmers and hidden them underneath a tile that matches, so you don't have those ugly white round skimmers like you see in a lot of houses. Beautiful waterfalls and coming out of the hot tub. This is a wonderful home from Toll Brothers here in Acadia Ridge. If you want to take a tour of this or get more information, please contact us. If you'd like to see another home in Acadia Ridge, just watch this video right here. Thanks for watching.